Good evening, ma'am. I am Akshat from MBA Second Sem Section B, and today our topic is game theory, methods, and its application. Now, definition of a game. Game is defined as an activity between two or more person or two or more people or a group of team in which they fight against each other with a set of rules, and at the end there will be a two situation. One team will win and second team will get defeated. Now, strategy. A strategy for a player is defined as a set of rules or alternative courses of action available to him in advance, by which player decides the course of action that he should adopt. Now, basically, there are three types of strategy. First one is pure strategy, second one is mixed strategy, and third one is optimal strategy.
Good evening. I am Mayank Vatwani from MBA, and I will be explaining different type of strategies. So there are three types of basically strategies: pure strategy, mixed strategy, and optimal strategy. Mixed strategy. When the player use a combination of strategies and each player always kept guessing so to which alternative is to be selected by the player at a particular occasion. Here there are combination of alternatives available to players, and they try to pick up the alternative which will give them a benefit and a disbenefit to a opponent player. So this is also known as probabilistic situation because they a player win probably win depending upon his move. So for example in chess, when chess is started, we don't know what to do, what move to take, what alternative to take to give advantage to ourselves. So this is mixed strategy. Here we try to maximize expected gain and to minimize expected loss. Second is optimal strategy. Optimal means a complete winning situation or a best situation for ourselves, for one player. A course of action or play which puts the player in the most preferred situation, irrespective of a strategy of its competitor, is called optimal situation. It is really simple. And in optimal situation comes, for example, in chess, in a situation when we have trapped our opponent in such a way that even any move of opponent will put him into a loss. Number of players, n person game. So n person game, when n players are there, we call it n person game. Payoff. Payoff is outcome of or a result of any game, for example win or loss. And a matrix we try to make to get a expected gain or to win any game, that is known as payoff matrix. The payoff is a term of gain or loss when player selects the particular strategies can be represented in a form of matrix called payoff matrix. Pure strategy. If a player knows exactly what the other player is going to do, a deterministic situation is obtained and objective function is to maximize gain or to minimize the loss. In this, when player is really experienced and he can predict what opponent will do, so he will try to make a move which definitely will help him to get into a gain situation or to not to get not to get lost from game and to win the game. Thank you.
Good evening. I am Kausa Sahu, student of MBA Section B. My roll number is 27 and my topic is game theory, method and its application. Now, application of game theory. Game theory provides a systematic quantitative approach for deciding a best strategy in competitive situation. Now, second point, it provides a framework for competitors' reaction to the firm action. Now, third point, it is helpful in handling the situation of independence of firm. Now, fourth point, game theory is a management device which helps rational decision making. Now, saddle point. A saddle point of a payoff matrix is the position of such an element in the payoff matrix which is minimum in its row and maximum in its column. For the saddle point, the maximum value equal to the minimax value. The saddle point is the solution of game. The strategy of A and B corresponding a saddle point are the optimal strategy of A and B. Saddle point, a point where two variables partly equal to zero but which is not neither मिनिमम और मैक्सिमम. एक ऐसा पॉइंट जहाँ दो वेरिएबल जीरो के इक्वल तो होते हैं, ना तो वो मैक्सिमम में आते हैं ना वो मिनिमम में आते हैं. थैंक यू.
Good evening, ma'am. My name is Mayank Srivastav. So, value of the game. It is expected payoff play when all the players of the game follow their optimum strategies. So, in game theory, every game has optimal mixed strategy for both players. The value of a game is its expected value. Next is graphical method. Graphical method is useful for the game where the payoff matrix is of the size 2 by n or m by 2. The game with mixed strategy that has only two undominated strategies for one of the player in the two-person zero-sum game. So in graphical method, it is assumed that there is no saddle point, but till now graphical method is restricted to 2 by m. Thank you.